If you want to customize the navbar on Samsung Galaxy A37, then unfortunately there is not much that you can do in terms of the customization of the navbar. But if you are looking for some settings, then we can just open settings on our phone, scroll down a little bit, and then go to lock screen and AOD. Then over here we can go to the navbar, and then here we can, for example, see the list of live notifications, so apps that have those live notifications, which also means that they can be used with navbar. So you can manage these apps, you can turn it on or off for individual apps, so you can decide which apps should be controllable via navbar. There are also some additional options here below, like the current mode, do not disturb, and flashlight. And that's pretty much all in terms of the customization. Of course, if you go to always on display settings, then in here you can hide or show the navbar as well. But there's not much that you can do, for example, to change the visual side of the navbar. And you can only decide to, well, you can only choose which apps are supposed to work with the navbar. And it's not like you can add more apps, your own apps that should be controllable in the navbar or manageable. You cannot really add your own apps, so you can only control those apps that are already built in a way that they can be controlled with navbar. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.